Funny. I don't remember posing for Rich and Spoiled Monthly.
And I'd chew gum from the bottom of my shoe before I'd ride a mini train.
What are you up to now, Kaz?
Don't worry, girls. There's a perfectly logical explanation. I had a pair of robots made to look and behave exactly like you. Ta-da!
Ah! I am very excited to meet you.
I am Yumi. I am too cool to be excited.
Now you girls can be in two money-making places at once. Isn't it great?
Great! Kaz, this is the most idiotic scam you've ever come up with.
Don't be silly. I come up with much dumber ideas. Besides, all the big acts have robo-doubles. Hey, look! It's Coffee Army Yumi!
I am very excited to meet you.
I am Yumi. I am too cool to be excited. Maybe those creepy robots are good for something.
They do handle a trampoline pretty well.
That's because of their titanium spine and genuine Nuggerhide skin. Now, why don't you girls run along and enjoy yourselves? The Puffy Bots clearly have this situation under control.
With the puppy bots taking all the fan heat, we sure have a lot more free time.
No doubt. I wonder what else we can get them to do for us.
Hey, that's us! What? Oh! What's going on? How can we, they, be in so many places at once? If our fans figure this out, we're finished!
I know a short, bald man who might have the answer.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, make sure you get between each toe. And you two, hurry up with the buses. It's almost time to rock the house down.
Yes, Mr. Kaz, you are a misunderstood genius.
And very handsome, too. I see you've expanded their vocabulary.